Hey guys, this is Ms. Jacobson. Today we are going to be talking about CERs. Our lesson goal is I will be able to write a CER with text evidence. This is going to take 2 days, so we're going to start today and then we'll have the same lesson goal tomorrow. First off, before we get started, what do you think an argument is? I don't mean, man, I argued with my sister about who had to do the dishes. Think about it. Is there any other context where you've heard that word argument? What can an argument also be? Pause the video if you need some time to think. So, an argument is an attempt to persuade someone of something. Whenever you make an argument, when you're trying to convince somebody, you have to give the reasons that your claim, the opinion that you're trying to, that you have, is true, and then you have to prove it with evidence. You must also use your reasoning to explain how the evidence proves that answer. So, this is where CER comes in. CER is an acronym for the 3 parts of an argument that we use in writing. C is your claim, your argument, your answer to the question, or the thing that you're trying to prove. What I think. Evidence is what part of the story or text proves what you're trying to say. It's your proof. Reasoning is how or why does your evidence prove what you're saying. It's your because. Think of it this way. If you're laying on a hammock in the beach, the hammock is the claim. It's what you're trying to hold up off the ground. Evidence and reasoning are the trees that are holding it up. They're the things that support the hammock and keep you from falling down. The alligator is waiting there to eat you. You have to hold your claim up off the ground or that alligator's going to get you. You can only do that if the evidence and the reasoning are equally strong and they can support your claim. So we're going to listen to a story we've already heard once this year called The Sweetest Fig. Online learners have a separate video recording of The Sweetest Fig that you're going to need to go watch, but I'm going to walk you through the instructions and then go back and listen to the video. The CER that we're going to write today and tomorrow is going to answer this question. What character traits does Monsieur Bibot show in the story? So the question I want you to think about as we listen to this story again is how can we tell what a character is like as a person from their experiences, how they act or react or feel or think in the story. Someone's thoughts or reactions can tell you as much about the story as the plot does. So here's what you need to do as we read today. In your OneNote, there's going to be a page called Plot and Inference Notes. You're going to write down each plot event from the story in the first column where it says event. Write Monsieur Bibot's reaction to that event in the second column. So did he yell? Did he scream? Did he smile? Did he steal money? Like, what did he do? Then in the third column, tell me what that action says about Monsieur Bibot as a person. So this is completely made up. This is not in the story. But if a little boy runs into Monsieur Bibot, and Monsieur Bibot's reaction is to yell at him and steal his lollipop, we can infer that Monsieur Bibot is cruel, or that he doesn't like children. As soon as you finish that, I might even use this format. As soon as you finish that, you'll be done for today, but tomorrow we're going to go ahead and write a CER.